Okay, so in this video I'm going to be doing a remove and reseal on this Citroen C3. The heated rear window is leaking apparently. It's at a dealership. The valeter has notified that there's water coming in the glass at the top driver's side, so I'm just going to strip it down. I need to take this spoiler off. You can see I've already sheeted up the roof. So let's jump into it. Just disconnect these heated terminals just to be careful, because these can be quite brittle. Came off quite easy, the ones actually. So I need to remove this trim. Just pop these clips off. And by the looks of it, that's all that's holding that on. The rest will be just clipped on. Plastic pry bar in behind there. That should just pop off. It's a fairly new motor, so these clips should just pop off, no problem. Yep. Just pops off as well. You can see it right in there. I don't know if you can see in right, but I can see a gap in the glue there. I wonder if this is going to be a problem with this model as well. Let's take the rear wiper off. Remember what side it's on. I'll just put that up there. So we'll remove this spoiler. So it looks like we've got is that a T30 Torx? Yep, T30. Pop both of these off. And the rest of it should just be put on plastic clips, I would imagine. I think possibly. I think this maybe just pops off all the way along, and there'll be other connections under there. Possibly, yep, that's what it is. Yep. So that piece comes off there. Right, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 10mm bolts. Now this should just lift off. Jesus. There's more clips under there. I'm not hanging about with this, I'll tell you. That's it. So what have we got? 1, 2, 3 plastic clips as well. I'll just put that up there. The guy was saying it's leaking up here. Yeah, you can see it's moving away, look. It's completely moving away from the bond. That would probably just get worse. It's not too bad at this side, but it'll work its way along. Yeah. So I'll grab my cutout tool. I'll just use my mono cut with wire. So if I've got got a gap here. I think I'll feed it through there. And we'll start up at this corner. It's a beautiful day. So I've got to feed this through here. As you can see, that just pushed straight through without any resistance. Let's make a little hook. Just raise that up a bit. Hook that on there. And just pull that through. Cut that hook off. Bin it. Let's attach this to my mono cut. Come on. Okay. Put that there. That's it. It's more like it. Just got to make sure I do catch that terminal there when I'm coming past here. Right, it's coming through there, no problem. I'm going to pop this wiper motor off. You can see I'm just winding this in, the wire cutting back on itself. Just cutting through the original bond line, so make sure I do cut any cables. That's starting to come through there. I don't want this coming back on itself.
Please charge in time.
tight along the top. Surprised, I thought that would have come away a lot more. Right through. That's the glass out. Is there any damage? There you can see there, look. When the glasses just came away from the glue all the way there.
Please charge it in time.
Strange.
Please charge it in time.
Coming away at the corners. Now if that's coming away there and there, who's to say it isn't going to happen all the way around?